In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cTrader VWAP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a VWAP indicator onto your charts and ready for analysis. If you're new to the term, VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's a running average that gives more weight to periods with higher trading volume, making it a popular intraday benchmark for gauging fair value, potential support and resistance, and how price behaves relative to institutional flow. First, you'll want to find and download a VWAP indicator made for cTrader. There are several reputable sources that publish cTrader compatible indicators. Look for one that clearly states it's built for the cTrader platform, check recent updates, and skim the description to confirm it supports the features you care about, such as daily resets, session anchoring, or optional deviation bands. It's also a good idea to review user comments and version notes to ensure it works with the current cTrader release. When you download, keep the file in an easy-to-find location so you can access it quickly. Next, open cTrader. Using the desktop app is ideal for this, as it provides full access to the indicators menu and your custom tools. Make sure you have a chart open for the symbol you want to analyze, and switch to your preferred time frame so you can see how the VWAP will display in your workflow. Now, head to the Indicators section. You can do this from the platform sidebar by opening the Indicators panel and navigating to the Custom category. Alternatively, press the spacebar to bring up the search box, then type VWAP. The search is fast and convenient, especially if you have a long list of tools installed. Once you see your downloaded VWAP indicator under Custom, add it to your chart. You can double-click its name or drag and drop it onto the active chart. A settings window will usually appear. Here, take a moment to review the default options. Many VWAP indicators let you choose how the line resets, such as daily or session-based, and some offer optional upper and lower bands based on standard deviations. If you're unsure, the defaults are often a good starting point, and you can fine-tune later as you observe how the line interacts with price. After you click Confirm, the VWAP will plot on your chart. Price trading above VWAP can indicate bullish intraday bias, while price below may suggest bearish pressure. Traders also watch the line for potential support and resistance during the session. If the indicator doesn't appear, check you're on the correct chart and try the search again. That's it. Your cTrader VWAP is ready to use.